Hey everybody, and welcome back to the farm. I want to do a quick size comparison video since we have a couple batches of these meat birds on the go. This little guy we got a couple days ago, and he's 4 days old, so you can see how small he is. This fella is 4 weeks old, so he's halfway done his time here on our farm. And this big guy is 8 weeks old, so he's being processed today. So in 8 weeks they go from this to this, and I thought that was pretty interesting. Just as a note, this would be one of the baby chicks you would have saw in the first video about meat birds when we showed you the brooder setup.